Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Alian. Today, my topic is for market model and their characteristics. Actually, in economics, market are divided into four models that are different from different perspectives. These models are pure competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, monopoly. The all models are different from each other due to different bases like number of frames, how much number of frames are working in market, what type of product are they selling, what will be the control over the price, a condition of entry in a market, non-price competition like advertising. In a pure competition, there are large number of firms or a seller that are selling their product in a market. Their product is standardized. Even we can say that production firm is selling a single product. There is no control over a price because the price can either be fixed by government or producing firm. It is very easy to enter in a market in a pure competition. Even I can enter in a market or sell my product. There is no non-price competition in a pure competition like advertising or many others. All above points can be elaborated if we take a agriculture market of vegetables and of fruit. Monopolistic competition. This is gradually bigger than pure competition. In this competition, there are large number of firms that are working in a market. They might be offering different types of product or services. There exists a narrow limit of price change due to the variable price needed in this competition or a business. Less easy to enter in a market due to type of investment needed in this competition. There exists a considerable non-price competition in market. And all above points can be elaborated if we take the example of Uber and Careem in our atmosphere or society. That there are large number of firms. If we observe in our society, there are Ubers, Careem, rickshaw drivers or a local taxi drivers, but but Uber and Careem are prominent due to their services. Type of services they are providing is very comfortable and reliable, and there exists a narrow limit of price change due to consumption of due to the consumption of petrol. It is very less easy to enter in a market as more comfortable cars are needed, and this require a very heavy investment. Non considerable price competition exists as Careem is more advertising their product in Pakistan than Uber. Oligopoly. This market is much greater than pure competition and monopolistic competition. There are few number of firms that are working in this market. They may be selling or providing different services or a homogeneous product. They have limited control over a price because as if any firm increases its price, then an alternative firm will come with the low price, and company will face loss. And if our company will decrease their price, then our company will face loss. So there is a very limited control of money or a price in this competition. there are very significant obstacles in this competition, like type of investment needed, a political pressure, etc. And there would be a very great non-price competition, as if a firm is spending less money on non-price competition, then public would not know about which type of product they are selling. If we take an examples of steel mills and automobile, then we will come to know the difference between pure competition, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly. If we take a steel mill, then we see that in our country there are few steel mills working in our country, and they are they are providing different type of steel in a company with different quality, and they have very limited control over their prices, and there is a significant obstacle in if we want to enter in a market, like a heavy investment is needed, and a large number of workers are needed to run a steel mill. So next is pure monopoly. And the basic difference that differentiate monopoly from other is that there is a single frame that would be working in a market. They might be providing a unique product in a market. As they are single in a market, so they have a considerable price control opportunity. Due to the type of investment and political pressure, entrance is completely blocked in monopoly. They have to spend their most of money in public advertising relations. The examples of pure monopoly in Pakistan are PTCL, Sui Gas Company, and Railway. Before few weeks, PTCL was a pure monopoly, as there was no other substitute for internet services. Now another company like Fiber Optic have entered in a market, so now we cannot say that PTCL is in monopoly. Thanks for watching. I hope I have succeeded in understanding the types of model for and their characteristics. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.